What's happening, people? Welcome back to another episode of Crypto Stacks. Yeah, we're about to get those big creamy ass stacks, my man. Oh yeah, and women. Yes, absolutely, guys. Today, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, whatever it is, Mirror Trading International, the next, and I'll say it here first, the next legacy company. I'm talking Cash FX big. These guys are scaling up really quick. The more I research, the more I look into them, the happier I am, and the more satisfied I am to be supporting what seems to be a very, very humble CEO. Now, I'm just off a Zoom call with the CEO, and I'll be posting another video about that in the next couple of days, likely tomorrow. So definitely subscribe, hit that like button as well, man. Support the channel. Do you know what I mean? Support your boy Crypto Stacks 369, bringing you this fresh, crispy, creamy content. You know what I mean? So with all that said, guys, this is what I know so far. Okay, so Mirror Trading International, I'll be showing you trading proof, trading reports, up over 500 plus trades a day. I've just gotten a report. I'm going to share that with you right now. But let me show you the key points first. All right, so Mirror Trading International, guys, it's Bitcoin in, Bitcoin out, and that's absolutely fantastic. Let me explain why. Okay, now we ran through this in the previous video, so just really quick. The bull run is about to happen for Bitcoin. Every 4 years, there's a halving event. You'll see here, first halving, second halving, third halving. We're on the verge of the next halving, and these things last for a year, over a year, 12 to 16, perhaps even 18 months. It's hard to tell, but you can see here, based on previous statistical data, you will see that these things last a long ass time. See, this is 26 November 2012. The next one was on the 11th of July 2016, and you can see that this one lasted up until the 18th of May. So that's a long ass time. It's a bull run. Essentially, it's an appreciation of value over time, because when halving events happen, Bitcoin value increases. Okay, so that's one of the main reasons I got into this in the first place. I hope that makes sense, because that's an important point as to why I got into this in the first place. All right, after that, guys, we're used to seeing packages in passive platforms, 100-day package, and then it expires, or so on and so forth. This is not a package platform. Okay, you put in your funds and your funds work for you. They compound on their own. Okay, it gets even better than that. This is amazing. It's actually insane how good this platform is, right? So there's no money tied up. There's no lock-in periods. That's what that means. So your money's not locked in. Okay, you can withdraw anytime you want. Okay, it's up to you. All right, processing times are a little bit slower. It seems like they're manually reviewed, which actually is a good thing. And you'll see that a lot of the legit companies out there, their processing times for payments or withdrawals are actually slower. So I'm starting to learn that that's actually a fantastic thing. It's not an alarming thing at all. The instant payouts are nice, definitely, and perhaps it's something we're moving forward or moving towards in the future. But for now, it's definitely not a con. In fact, it actually is a pro if you think about it. So there's no lock-in periods. That is absolutely fantastic. That also means that when you put in for example, if you have to put in an investment of, let's say, for example, minimum, I don't know, $200, $100 or whatever, you're not waiting a period of time to get that back. It's active for you straight away, and you can take it out whenever you want. That's a massive win. Okay, because I'm in other platforms and I've been in the negative for like 100 days before I'm seeing profits. You see what I mean? So straight away it's working. You see a compound, and it compounds instantly. It's amazing. Anyway, after that, there's no fees. There's literally zero fees. Okay, now I'm just starting to clarify all of this in the past couple of days, but this is something I haven't actually seen before. This is completely new to me, or at least, I haven't seen very much of it. And if I have seen it, it's been in very risky platforms. Okay, hypes, high yield investment platforms. But anyway, there's zero fees. That's a massive benefit, guys. I mean, a legit company with zero fees, a proven track record, zero fees. It's absolutely amazing. I'll explain why exactly in a minute, because they're successful traders, guys. These guys are successful traders. They've been around for a year. It's literally a year anniversary on the 15th of April. Johan Steinberg, the CEO, just said it in the previous video. After that, guys, you'll see here, withdrawal, deposit, amount anytime. I mentioned that back here actually. No money tied up, blah blah blah. We covered that. Okay, no selling or recruiting to earn. Okay, so if you've been in this space, you've likely come across the notion that a lot of platforms depend upon new incomers to support cash flow to pay out their members, and eventually that catches up on the platform and they fall to pieces. With this platform, they do not need you, and I mean that in the nicest way possible. They do not need you. They don't need you, boy, girl, whatever it is. They do not need you. Okay, that's a fantastic thing. They're successful traders. I'm going to be showing you that right here, right now. This is the backward, this is the back end of the website, and I'm going to be showing you the trading report. Okay, jokes aside, there will be massive clarity brought to this, because I know looking at this initially it can be quite intimidating. Did I lag myself out? Bollocks. 1 second there, let me just log back in. Alright, let's get back in here. So they got two-factor authentication. That's fantastic for security reasons, guys. Definitely set it up. I don't believe it's set up when you initially get in. You have to set it up. I'll definitely have a video about that as well, just for enhanced security. Alright, so let me get back to my audio. So back to this, guys. I know this is a lot to take in, and trust me, it's not that difficult. I know there is a lot to take in though, because initially I was kind of like, whoa, what is all of that? And I'll be showing you deposits as well, because I'm going to be putting more in this, guys. The more I look into it, the more confidence I have and the better I feel about it, and I'm definitely going to be putting more into this, definitely. All right, but anyway, stay tuned for that. Hit the subscribe button, you know what I mean? So here we have buttons. Sorry, what am I saying? Trading bonus report. So let's go here. All right, so 30th of March, yesterday. This is the trading report from yesterday. You can see here, and now I'll be getting more trading reports as time goes on. But let's have a look at this one for now. So typically, guys, they receive on average of about 0.5% back daily, or you get 0.5% back daily. They actually get a little bit more, but after they kind of distribute, between separating the payment for the traders, separating the payment into their binary options, into their what's the other one called, their commissions, affiliates and everything. After all of that is done, you see an average of about 0.5% return on your investment. Okay, so that works out to be monthly about 10 to 12%. Now that varies day to day, and that is fantastic, because that's how trading actually works, guys. There's no set percentage a day. That just doesn't work. Any platform that does that is not real. You should probably question, if they're actually trading or not, unless it's kind of a fixed agreement, and then that's different. But if they're saying that you're getting 4% based on trading a day, definitely consider questioning the legitimacy of that company. But anyway, guys, you can see here, look, I haven't counted them here, but there's definitely look at that, there's a shitload of trades, man. Look at that, like boom, 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 boom. Now let's go back up to the top there, just to try and make a bit of sense of this, because this is kind of all new to me now, to be honest, right? But here we have open time. You can see the times that they came in at, right? They came in at the trade. You can see the price, whatever, you can see the close time, you can see everything, all the little details. It's all there for you to check. I even believe you can go onto the Forex market and check the number. Now I'm going to get some feedback, from traders that I know, and hopefully they can provide me with an insight into this, more of an educated insight. The trading report, 30th of March, you can see it there. Look, I was sent it last night at 23:59, so just shy of 12 o'clock last night, and you can see here, guys, there's so many trades. I told you that they do over 500 plus trades a day. Yeah, hop into one of these documents and you're going to see real trading happening. All right, so yes, they're lower risk trades, but they make a lot of them. So what happens is, at the end of the day, they come out with a decent percentage and a sustainable percentage, because longevity, guys, I'm telling you, longevity, hype programs, high yield investment programs, HYIP, whatever you want to call it, those platforms are not sustainable. One like Mirror Trading International is sustainable, guys. It's gaining absolute momentum. Guys, I'm not even going to attempt to break this stuff down, because I have no idea what this means. I mean, I could potentially try but I'm not going to do that to you. But it's all here, guys. I don't need to know how this works. All I need to know really is have clarity that they're actually trading, right? And they absolutely are. Have a look at this document, right? there's over 500 trades here, smaller trades. You can go into the specific details. You'll see all the little bit of detail there that they have with it. But you can see my balance here after the day was $212. Now if I bring you back to my account, because this is only active one day, I have currently, I started with $200 because I put $200 into it, right? And it's always subject to Bitcoin's value as well, because it's a Bitcoin in, Bitcoin out platform. So depending on the value of Bitcoin, now let me show you that really quick. You will see that it goes up and down like markets. It goes up and down every day, right? But with respect to what I've told you and mentioned about the bull run, I'm not worried about this at all, guys. I'm in this for a long run, and this is a normal thing for it to be going up and down. But because that goes up and down, of course my balance here goes up and down as well. But you see, I had $200 in there yesterday. I have $210 here today. Now I don't know if some of that's from today as well. Likely is some from today as well, because that's actually, you know, it's a decent amount. It's about $10, so likely $5 today and $5 yesterday. But guys, you can see this is going to compound over time. So not only am I getting return on, for example, what would be a package in another platform, this is my $209 that's going to compound for me now, or should I say 0.03 Bitcoin. Okay, now as Bitcoin goes up in value, I'm going to see an appreciation of my value as well, and I can't wait to see that happen, guys. So that's pretty much it for today. Trading reports, guys, there's so much more to come. Deposits, you know, setting up two-factor authentication. Definitely hit that subscribe button. And with that said, have a beautiful day. I hope you found value in this. And with that said, I think I said that. Chat to you soon. Take it easy.